The last one is formation of eclipse. So what is eclipse itself? Eclipse is the total or partial blockage of planetary luminous source by other objects like what? Earth and what? And moon. The partial or total blockage of what? Of sun by moon or earth is called eclipse. So the nun is what? The sun is a luminous what? Object. So when what? We have what? Sun. So this is a what? A sun. So when the what? The moon, the what? Moon is block what? It's either a partial block, is block what? The sun. We have what? Eclipse. Or if what? We have a what? A sun like this, and we have earth. The earth is what? Is blocked what? The sun. We also have what? Eclipse. So there are two basic types of what? Of eclipse. The first one we have what we call what? Basic two type of eclipse. We have eclipse of the sun, and we also have what? Eclipse of what? Of the moon. So the eclipse of the sun, we can also call it what? Solar eclipse. What? Solar what? And the second one, we can also call it what? Annual what? Eclipse. Which is the eclipse of the what? Of the moon. Now, let us treat them one after the what? Other as have what? Eclipse of the sun. What is eclipse of the sun? The eclipse of the sun occur when the what? The moon is in between the sun and the earth. So the earth, when the sun is what? Is in between the what? The when the moon, sorry, assume this is a what? A sun. This is a what? A sun. And here we have what? We have moon. This is what? Sun. Here we have what? Moon. And here we have what? We have earth. So when the what? This moon is in between the sun and what? And earth, the eclipse from there, we call it what? Eclipse of the what? Of the sun. So here we can now draw the diagram in this form. And the second one, the line will come like this. So I need to withdraw this one to make it big. The other one will come like this too, pass through the moon. This one pick it. So this one, I need to what? To make this bigger than what is it before. See, good. This my head shape is not really okay. Yes. So when the what? The moon is between what? Sun and what? Earth. Out of these three things, and three of them are in the same what? Straight line. The sun is only what? Luminous. The earth and what? And the moon and what? Opaque. So you can now see that what? This region here, so everything you have here is what? Is total darkness. Any objects that you have at this region, they will experience what? Total what? Darkness. But any object that we have at this particular region here, they will experience what we call what? Partial what? Darkness. Mhm. So what do we have here now? This particular region is called what? Penumbra. This particular region here, we call it what? Or what? Umbra. And the last one here, we have what? Eclipse of the what? Of the moon. So if we are talking about what? Eclipse of the moon, this is occur. Eclipse of the moon occur when the earth is between the what? Sun and the what? And the moon. When earth is what? Is between sun and what? And the moon, we have what? Eclipse of the what? Of the moon. So for that one, we have, this is the diagram for it. We have our sun here. This is sun. This is sun. And as the middle, we have what we call what? We have what we call earth. The earth is here. And here we have what? The moon. Oh yeah? Let us look at the what? The diagram. And the second one here too, it pass through like this. Go from there. And the third one will come like this. So this is the diagram for what? Eclipse of the what? Of the moon. And here alone, I can say that what is this only region, everything you have here, they will experience what we call what? Total what? Darkness. So everything you have here is what we call what? On what? Umbra, which is total darkness. And everything you have outside here is what we call partial darkness. So that is all about what? Light wave. So if you could still remember, so the light wave is a form of energy that brings about the what the sensation of what of there is a form of what of energy which give about what the sensation of what of fission, and the light wave is a visible electromagnetic what wave, and is a wave which is not require material medium for it what for propagation. And the speed of light wave is what is 3 times 10 to the power what 8 meter per seconds. And from there we talk about what the source of light energy. I said the source, a place or the origin where the light energies always come from, we call it what? Luminous objects. Any object that what produces its own light are called luminous objects. And the luminous object divides into two parts. We have artificial and natural. I said the moon is not a what? A luminous object. Moon is what? It's an opaque. So it gives out light that is fall on its what? On its body. So and from there we talk about what? Transmission of what of light by translucent, transparent, and opaque. Translucent, light can pass through it and one cannot see through it. Transparent, light can pass through it, one can see through it. Opaque, it's always absorb light energy. Light cannot pass through it and one cannot see through it. From there, we talk about what? Ray of light. Ray of light is what? Is a part taking, is a part of light energy when traveling, or is a part taking of what? Of light what? Energy from the what? From the source. And the ray divides the world into 4 parts. We have incident, reflected, refracted, and what? An emergent ray. And from there, I talk about what? A beam of light. Beam of light is a collection of what? Of 2 or more rays. Divided into into 4 parts. We have parallel, converge, and diverge beam. Abi, I said the parallel can be found in short light. Diverge can be found in what? In a hand lens that we use in what? In a biological lab. And the third one, which is what? Diverge light, one that we see in what? In our electric lamp at what? At home. And from there, we talk about rectilinear propagation of light. The tendency of light to travel through a straight line. That is what? A propagation of light, and it has 3 applications: from PO camera, formation of shadow, and